is what it looks like. It's a nice big organizer, not like some of those half ones that you see online all the time. It actually came with a little brush to clean up the dust, I guess. Let me put it in the center console. Like I said, this one is for a Toyota Tundra. What I have here is a 1794. Pretty sure it fits the same exact center console and all the other trim levels. There it goes. Really nice and solid. Looks like all these different inserts look like rubber non-slip material. One for each of these different compartments. I don't know if I could do this with one hand. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice finish right here. Right, it's non-slip, so your stuff's not shifting around when you're driving down the road and getting that rattly noises, which I don't know about you, but I really hate. Very nice. And of course the battery. Just put it away right here. This one's really nice. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this little review. If you're thinking about getting one of these, do it. You're not going to regret it. It's really nice. The material looks like it's made from tough plastic. The mold's good. Doesn't look like it had any imperfections, and it really sits in this Tundra nicely. So thank you, and hope you had a good time.